What's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crown Traders channel, and today we're diving into something that's probably costing you real money. Forex mistakes. Whether you're brand new or you've been trading for a while, trust me, I've seen traders make these over and over. So if you're tired of losing, let's fix that today. Mistake number 1, blindly following signals from others. Yup, I said it. You're scrolling through Telegram or Instagram, copying trades from someone with a flashy profile pic. But here's the truth. If you don't understand the logic behind the trade, you're just pressing buttons. Signals can help you learn, but relying on them without your own analysis? That's how you stay stuck. Learn to trust your own chart reading and let signals be a bonus, not a crutch. Mistake number 2, chasing the market. You've seen it. A spike hits and people panic buy, jumping in with emotion instead of logic. Here's the thing. Chill. The market isn't going anywhere. Wait for your perfect setup. Let the market come to you. Next, mistake number 3, risking too much on one trade. Oh boy, this one. If you're putting 50% of your account on a single trade, you're basically asking the market to eat your capital. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Risk management is everything. Start small, grow big.
Okay, fam, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss more gems like this. Drop a comment down below and let me know, what's your biggest Forex mistake? Let's grow and learn together. See you next time.